Hi folks, it's John from lastchanceautorestore.com. Just a quick update. This is the roof. It's a fiberglass roof for the 1981 Toyota Land Cruiser FJ40, the custom build. So I'd like to share with you, we'll just cut away, we got a little bit of a slideshow. We'll show you the steps we got to this stage, and then we'll come back and I'll just explain what photos you just looked at. Okay, so with the roof, just to explain, so it's a fiberglass roof. It's been painted several times, and there was quite a few repairs. They had a lot of caulking and different types of materials all the way around, and I think the camera person can come a little bit closer, because basically what they do is they have this outer shell, which is fiberglass, and then there's reinforcement rivets that run along here and also along the other side. And then this panel is then stamped to the lower panel, and you can see there's numerous rivets that go all the way around the entire roof. So it was quite a bit of work because we had to remove all of the old caulking and adhesive and glues. They used all kinds of different experiments, so I'm assuming it probably had some concerns with leaking. So they used different products over the years, and then the top itself was painted roughly 5 or 6 different times. So what we had to do is sand it down to just before the gel coat, and then once we had that done, there was a lot of spider cracking is what they refer to cracking in fiberglass. So from having the roof removed and reinstalled and not being careful, whenever something obstructs it or hits fiberglass with not a supported area, it becomes a crack, like a spider crack kind of thing where it crawls out. So to eliminate that, in a few of the photos you just watched where there's some darker areas, that's a mini fiber product, and what we did is we have to break in, so we kind of notch in with a razor blade or an X-Acto knife. We notch part of the crack away, and then we use air tools and sanders to make beveled edges, and then we want to make sure that the cracking stops, and then with the mini fiber, and then we block sand it all smooth. That will seal that spider cracking area or damaged area from previous bumps and bruises. So we did all that, and then we sanded it again. So it's been sanded 4 times. All the caulking's been removed, and now this product you're looking at now is a black 2-part epoxy. You've seen in previous videos where we talk about this 2-part epoxy, and we generally spray it. The main purpose is to spray it on bare metal to protect and seal the metal, and then the top of the pores stay open so that the gray high build primer can be applied. This is another application for a 2-part black epoxy, and that's to protect the gel coat and to seal the resins and the chemicals that are inside this fiberglass. So by spraying this 2-part epoxy, it will bond to the actual fiberglass roof and to the repairs that we did, and then within 24 hours this top is ready for the gray high build primer, and then we'll continue to block sand out. We'll start at 180 grit and we'll work all the way up to 400 before it's painted. So just a quick update, this is the roof panel for the 1981 Toyota Land Cruiser FJ40. I thank you for watching. I'm John from lastchanceautorestore.com.